Hello my angels, and welcome again to Dolly's Snippets, and here I am again in my kitchen. The other day I was cleaning out the cupboard that's underneath my stairs, pantry, I call it a dark hole, and in there I keep all my bakery bits and especially all my cooking bits, and not only that, my cookery books. And for a while I went through a phase of loving, and I still do, I like Nigella Lawson. The meals that she put in her books were absolutely amazing, and the fact that then they were quick and easy, and for the fact that I'd got 3 boys, I was full-time mum working, they were just handy for me. But I used to go through them and have a look at some of the snacky ideas, especially for the boys when they were little. And I came across this one recipe and I thought, oh, I've got to show everybody, because if you don't know about it, you do need to know, because it's not a meal, it's just a quick easy snack. The boys loved it, and I don't think they've had it for a good few years now. So I thought, well, I'll tell you what, I'll make some up and then I'll also make a video so that you're able to see what it is. So again, a bit like the chocolate truffles, which I'll leave a link here, and also with the 2-minute cupcake, which I'll leave a link here, you're able then to have a go yourself. So I'm going to start off like I normally do and tell you what you need to make. Well, you'll see in the title what I'm making. So I'm making Elvis banana and peanut butter sandwich. He calls it a sandwich, but we would call it a toasty. So the things you're going to need for Elvis's banana and peanut butter toasty sandwich, I'm just going to say sandwich, and we all know it's a toasty. So you're going to need some butter, you're going to need some smooth peanut butter, but you don't need extra smooth, you just need the smooth. And with it, I think you can have crunchy, it just depends on your taste of peanut butter. Personally, I hate peanut butter unless it's like this. I don't mind peanut butter with banana or peanut butter with jam, or I do like peanut butter M&Ms, they are nice. Anyway, subject. So you're going to need a banana, and you're also going to need some bread. We have the toasted white, so yeah, something nice. So let's crack on, and trust me, I will show you what you need to be doing next. Okay, keep watching. Bye. So the first thing you're going to do is have 1 ripe banana, and you're going to peel it. And I just tend to take off that little bit at the, top. And you're going to make sure you get rid of all them little straggly bits. Just going to break it up into a bowl, and then we are going to mash it. Now that my fingers are all slippy, I'm not going to be able to mash it. Look, you see, this is going to be fun. All my fingers are all slippy from... There we go. It's not really ripe, it's been in the fridge, so it's quite hard. So anyway, yeah, so we know how to mash a banana. I'll tell you what, I'll come back when mine's a bit mashed and a bit better looking. So here we are. This is my mashed up banana, better than it looked just a moment ago. And then we're just going to set that aside for the moment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get 2 slices of bread, should I say, and we're going to slightly toast it. So you don't want it to be as dark as you would have it on a Sunday morning with a nice cup of tea. You just want it so it's just slightly toasted. So I've just set my dial the dial here goes to number 6. I've just set it for a 2. But you really want it to be kind of really light brown, because obviously we're going to, well, not obviously, you don't know, we're going to be frying this, so you don't want it to be too dark to start off with. So I would say this is how brown you want your bread. Okay, let's go to the next step. So now that you have your 2 slices of toast, on one side you're going to put on your mashed banana. That might be a little bit too much, I think. That's a nervous laugh, by the way. You'll definitely know that with the haircut that I did on Steve. Yeah, I think that'll do. And then on the other side, you're going to be putting your peanut butter. I really do hate the smell of this. But then together, I think it's the sweet and salty kind of taste that I like. But definitely not on its own. Don't shoot me, please. So the next thing we're going to do then is then put these together as though it's a sandwich. So in the pan, I'm using a wok, I know that, but it's so that you can see, and my frying pan's quite little. You have 2 tablespoons of butter, and what we're going to do is put the oven on and let that melt away, and then we'll go to the next step. So once your butter is all melted, the next thing we're going to do now is add in the sandwich. It's sizzling away. I love that sound. So a bit like fried bread when you've done one side and then flip it over. It's looking really tasty. And don't worry about if any banana bits fall out of the sides. But yeah, we'll leave it there and then I'll show you what to do next. So once your toasty is done, the next thing you have to do is then cut it. And it says in Nigella's book, which I'll leave a link in the description box below, that you have to cut it. You have to cut it diagonal wise. Oh, everything's just going to spill out. I can see it. It's that nervous laugh again. So there we are. Elvis Presley, peanut butter and banana toasty. It may not look very nice, but it does taste absolutely lovely. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you're going to try some of your Elvis and peanut butter and banana toasty sandwich. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press that little bell button as well so you're able to keep a update on any new content that I put out there on any part of my channel. And leave a comment. I will definitely reply to you and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much. Bye.